Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you one of the most amazing place in Switzerland, the Rhine Falls. Getting to the Rhine Falls is easy with Switzerland's great public transportation. From Zurich, take a train directly to Schloss Rainfall Station, which is next to Laufen Castle and the falls. The trip takes about 1 hour. If you have a Swiss pass, the journey is free. Without a Swiss pass, you can buy a day pass, and with a halfway card, you get a discount. Look at all the green-blue water here and a huge waterfall. As soon as you step out of the station, you will see the entrance. From Zurich station, I took the S12 train to Schloss Rainfall. The Rhine Falls is the biggest waterfall in Europe. It's located near a town called Schaffhausen in northern Switzerland. The Rhine Falls are open all year and there is no entrance fee to see the falls. However, the best time to visit is in the summer when the water flow is at its strongest. The area around the Rhine Falls is also very beautiful. There are nice walking trails where you can enjoy the scenery. There is also a picnic area here, so you can bring food and enjoy it with your family. Facilities like restrooms are available. Boating activities start from here. You can choose which route to take. You will see boats in different colors: yellow, pink, red and blue, each with its own path around the falls. Boat tours have separate fees depending on the tour you choose. I took a 15-minute boat ride from here. This boat takes you close to the waterfall, so you will feel a light spray of water on you. The waterfall is very wide, about 150 meters, and it's 23 meters tall. In the summer, a huge amount of water flows over the falls, about 600,000 liters every second. This point is very amazing, so when you come to Switzerland, you should definitely visit here. Visiting the Rhine Falls is not just about seeing it. You can hear the loud roar of the water, feel the cool mist on your face, and watch the powerful rush of the falls. It's an experience you will never forget. If you walk, you will cross a bridge with tremendous viewpoints where you can take photos. Laufen Castle and the viewing platforms are usually open from 9 am to 6 pm. The The entry fees for the weaving platforms and castle are affordable, typically around 5 Swiss francs for adults and 3 francs for children. Here is the outside view of the castle. Laufen Castle is a beautiful historic building right next to the Rhine Falls. It has amazing view of the falls and the surrounding area. Thanks for joining us on this tour of the Rhine Falls. You can explore the castle's charming rooms and enjoy the scenic viewpoints. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you on our next adventure.